to be our first winner of a 12 Days of Christmas gift box. So exciting. Catherine.
Okay, before you cut the ribbon, allow me to congratulate you, Heidi and Bryan, on behalf of the city of Tarpon Springs, and to wish you the best. It has been, 3 years ago since the business was replaced, and it was the small place down, a couple buildings down there. But now, I'm looking at the transformation, the growth that you have done in 3 years. It's amazing. So on behalf of the Board of Commissioners, we're here to congratulate you and to present you with the key of the city.
We'd love to have the opportunity to thank everybody for coming. We're especially honored to have Mayor Chris here today. We're really pleased that you came back 3 years later to check out both of our warehouses now. We doubled in size since then. Today is really a celebration of the expansion of Lemongrass Spa. And most of you know that we've been in business for 17 years.
Wow.
But over 5 years ago, we moved here to Tarpon Springs, Florida. And every day that I cross over that bridge, over the Anclote, I'm reminded of what a blessing it is to be right here in this community and work around so many incredible people. So thank you for the key. It's an honor and such a blessing to us. And I know Bryan would like to say a few words about our amazing home office team.
Yeah, I would echo what Heidi said. We have a fantastic team, and this growth would not be possible without all of you guys. We looked at 3 different areas along the Gulf Coast before we came to Tarpon. I came out before the rest of my family, and as soon as I got into Tarpon, it just sort of felt right. And I'm glad I went with my instincts, because it is right. And you guys really make this work, so I surely appreciate it. I really do.
Thank you.
Thank you.